Before Escoffier, fine dining was very difficult because when you don't have the sections of things to go out together for a table, everything in one shop was very complicated. Because of his way to organize the kitchen, suddenly that could happen. You can do a fine dining, big restaurants with fine dining, and a la carte kitchen serve food for one whole table at one time. And that was unheard of before. So that's another contribution of Auguste Escoffier. And probably what most of us know today is the Guide Culinaire. Escoffier Guide Culinaire is a recipe book with over 5,000 recipes about French classic cuisine that until today still French and other European chefs are referring to as a Bible, a reference. But Auguste Escoffier didn't stop there. He also helped chefs to get better wages, better looked after, being able to provide for their families, organized all this in the brigades, in the hotels, so they could have a nicer lifestyle. So that's most of the contribution from Auguste Escoffier.